All right, hey guys, happy Monday. Go ahead and put away what you are working on and get out your math notebook. And in your math notebook, label it at the top. Today is November 14th. December 14th. I said November. Almost done with 2020.
Good.
And we have 2 vocab words to put in our math notebook. The first stands for GCF, okay? For this vocab word, lots of people do not write it out. They just write GCF. This stands for greatest common factor. All right, go ahead and write this one in your math notebook. Using your iPad to find a definition, maybe even an example. And then we also have what's called LCM. That stands for least common multiple. So have both vocab words and a definition, maybe even an example in your math notebook now. Use your iPad as a resource. You have your answer? All right, Max, tell me about GCF, greatest common factor.
The greatest common factor is the biggest factor that both numbers have.
Good, so the biggest factor, the largest number that 2 factors would have. Good, who can expand on that? Mimi?
The greatest common factor, the greatest number that is a factor of 2 or more other numbers.
The greatest number that's a factor of 2 different numbers. So we use this on Friday when we were simplifying. If I had the fraction 2/4, okay, and I said simplify, that's not very dark. I don't like that color very much. Let's rewrite that. If I said 2/4, and I said we had to simplify it, We are finding the greatest common factor to simplify this. So what can I divide both of these by to reduce my fraction here? Megan?
2.
Yeah, 2. So that's my GCF there. 2 divided by 2.
1.
4 divided by 2.
2.
Good. And that is simplified, that fraction. It has reduced it. Can I reduce it anymore? No, that would be my final answer. Good. Tell me about LCM, least common multiple. Tell me about that vocab word, LCM. Alyssa?
The least common number that is a factor of 2 numbers.
The least common factor is shared by 2 numbers. Good. So the smallest. Okay. So let's do an example together. If I have, let's do 8 and 8 and 4. What are my multiples of 8? Everybody ready? 8, 16,
32.
Ladies and gentlemen, stop there. Math facts. Already we were struggling there. We said 8, 16, 21. Okay, 8, 16, 24. Okay, make sure we know our math facts, guys. Let's go with our 4s. Give me our 4s. 4,
8, 12, 16, 8, 20,
Okay, we're going to stop there. All right, if I'm trying to find the LCM of 8 and 4, okay, my least common multiple, the 8 and 4 share. Am I looking for my biggest number or my smallest? Smallest. So let's see, do they both have a 4? No. Do they both have an 8? Yes. My LCM for 8 and 4 would be 8. Okay. Do they also both share a 24?
Yes.
Yes. But is that my least? No. Least meaning my smallest. Yes, they share 24. That's a common multiple, but not the smallest one. Okay? Now, I had you guys stop here at 1, 2, 3, 4 multiples. Here we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiples. You might have to keep going. If we didn't have 8 and we didn't have 24, we might have to continue on with this list. Okay? I would always start with finding about 4. And then I would stop and see if you have any. And then add a couple more to it. Okay, again, that's where we don't want to do more work than what we have to. All right, so our LCMs, least common multiples, that's what we're going to be working with today. All right, so let's go ahead and practice some. In your math notebook, go ahead and write number 1. And let's do 3 and 5. And we're going to find the LCM here. What does LCM stand for? Least common multiple. Good. All right, so we're going to make a list. Here we go. Let's list our multiples of 3. Ready? 3, 6,
9, 12.
Okay, stop. There's 4 numbers. Let's go ahead and stop. Let's list them for 5. Ready?
5, 10, 15, 20.
Stop. Do they have a common multiple yet?
No.
No, so I need to expand this list some more, right?
Yeah. 15.
Oh, do they have a LCM now?
Yes.
What is my LCM for 3 and 5?
15.
And I would circle it. equals 15. If I have it on the board, you should have it in your math notebook. You are not just sitting, you are being an active learner. Number 2. Let's do 6 and 8. All right, let's list the multiples of 6. Here we go. 6,
12, 18, 24, 32.
Let's stop there. Let's list them for 8. Ready?
24.
Do we have one already?
Yeah.
What is the least, the smallest multiple that they share?
24.
24. Circle it. Ladies and gentlemen, in your math notebook, your paper should be organized. You started at the top left. They are numbered. We are working our way down, and you are using the lines on your paper. All right, number 3. Let's find the LCM of 4 and 5. I want you to go ahead and try this one. One more minute. All right, with me, let's share your multiples of 4. Ready? 4,
8, 12, 16.
Let's stop. Of 5. Go ahead.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Do I have anything in common yet?
No.
Let's add to my 4s.
20.
Ooh, do we have one now?
Yes.
What is my LCM for 4 and 5?
20.
Circle it. Equals 20. Very good. Number 4. Let's do 4 and 9. Find your LCM of 4 and 9. All right, I want you to turn to a neighbor and tell them what the LCM of 4 and 9 is. See if you guys agree or disagree. What What was the LCM of 4 and 9?
36.
36. Very nice. Number 5. I want you to find the LCM of 8 and 20. 8 and 20. One more minute. All right, let's list them. Ready?
8, 16, 24, 32, 40.
What about 20?
20, 40.
Oh, can we stop already?
Yeah.
Yeah, once you know you can stop, that you see that LCM, I wouldn't do any more work than what you have to. Okay? So what is my LCM here?
40.
Circle it.
Looks like it does.
Do you see, guys, where your math facts are coming in handy here?
Yep.
If you're good with your math facts, this is going to be quick and easy for you. All right, number 6 and 7 in your math notebook. I got a glare here. There we go. Number 6, you are finding the LCM of 10 and 12. Number 7, you are finding it of 12 and 16. Do number 6 and 7. One more minute. I want you to show a neighbor the LCM of number 6 and number 7. See if you guys agree or disagree. Discuss if you guys don't. Ladies and gentlemen, I've heard a couple friends who go, well, I just didn't do it. I didn't know my multiples of 12. Ladies and gentlemen, sitting there and not doing it because you don't know is not an option. You need to find then your multiples of 12. Saying I don't know is not an answer. You have to put effort into your math. All right, let's list them. Your multiples of 10. This one's easy. 10.
20, 30, 40.
Let's stop there. Multiples of 12. 12.
24.
Okay, stop. Let's say you got stuck. I don't know what comes after 12. Take 24 and add 12 to it. 36. Let's say you don't know what comes next. Add another 12. 36 plus 12. 48.
60.
Let's say you don't know what comes next. You're going to add another what?
12.
12. 48 plus 12.
60.
60. Do I have an LCM yet? No, but let's add to our tens. 40, 50, 60. Do I have an LCM now? What is it?
60.
Circle it. 60. Very nice. Let's find LCM of 12 and 16. I already just found my multiples of 12, right? Can I just copy those down now? Right here? Yeah. Save yourself some work. We just found these. Let's stop there and see if we're good. Multiples of 16. Ready? 16. Now, what if again you're like, I don't know my multiples of 16. What am I going to add here then? Another?
60.
So 16 plus 16, which is?
32.
And then to find the next one, I add another.
60.
So 32 plus 16, which is?
48.
Oh, am I done?
Yes.
Do we have an LCM?
Yes.
What is it?
48.
48. All right, one more. Number 8. You're finding the LCM of 14 and 21. One more minute. All right. Give me my multiples of 14.
14. 28.
What if you don't know what comes next? What would you do? Add how many? 14. How would I find what comes next?
Add 14.
Add another 14 to it. What do you get?
42.
And then you would add another
14.
to get?
50.
Let's stop there and let's see. Multiples of 21.
21. 42.
Oh, do we have one?
Yes.
Can I stop there?
Yes.
What is my LCM here?
42.
And is this one 58?
Yeah. Oh, I'm fine.
56. Good. All right, equals 42. All right, do you guys have any questions on finding your, what are these called?
LCM.
LCM, which stands for
Least
least common multiple. Very nice. Your guys' homework is on vocabulary, working with your greatest common factors and your LCMs, your least common multiples. All right, go ahead and get started.